Change your friends' emojis on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to change your friends' emojis on Snapchat but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Snapchat application and then tap on that. After you find the very Snapchat application, you have to go to the very icon of your profile on the top. After you go to the profile icon on the top, you have to go to the settings like option and then just scroll down. After you find the very settings like icon and then just scroll down, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of customize the emojis. After you tap on the option of the customize the emojis, you can tap on any of the icon there and then you can set the emoji. For example, I set my very icon of super BFF like this. Now in the context of BFF as well, you can just change the very icon to any of those that you like. And after that, you can just scroll back and then go to the option of the besties as well. In order to customize your besties as well, you can change it to any of those that you want and you can just go back. You can go to the very option of my AI and in the context of my AI as well, you can change your my AI to any of those that you like. So this way you can go to the very icon, for example, the mutual besties, the mutual BFs, the snapstreak and all of those. You can just tap on the emoji and you could just customize it as the way that you want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.